There is a lot of bread, meat, and vegetables. I eat everything. The men watch me, surprised. There's a sleeping potion in the food, and soon I go to sleep again. When I open my eyes, hundreds of men are carrying me on a big piece of wood. We stop at an ancient temple. The men tie me to the door of the temple. What are you doing? Why are you tying me to the door? Now I can't leave. I'm a prisoner. I can't walk far, but I can get to the temple and go inside. Chapter 3. The King of Lilliput. I can see a city near the temple. The trees and houses are very small. Some people are coming from the city. There's a man on a small white horse. He is wearing a crown. A woman and a boy are with the man. They are on small horses too. The horses are scared of me because I'm big. The man with the crown speaks to me in a strange language. He has a quiet voice. I lie on the ground to hear him and see his face. This man is the king of the island. The woman is the queen, and the boy is their son, the prince. I try to speak to the king in many different languages, but he doesn't understand me. Good afternoon. Bonjour. Guten Nachmittag. The king speaks to a guard at the door of the temple. Then he leaves with his family. The ropes on my leg aren't very strong. I think I can escape, but I don't want to make the king angry. I need his help to return home. I go into the temple and look in my pockets. I find my binoculars. In the evening, servants come with food and drink. After a good meal, I try to sleep. The floor of the temple isn't comfortable, but I'm tired. Soon I go to sleep. The next day, hundreds of servants come to clean the temple. Then they bring 500 mattresses and make a comfortable bed for me. Soon tailors come to measure me. They make me new clothes with a lot of small pieces of cloth. Every afternoon, teachers come to the temple to teach me their language. They call me Man Mountain. The teachers tell me about the island. The name of the island is Lilliput. There's one city. It's called Mildendo. The king lives in a palace in Mildendo. There's another island near Lilliput called Blefuscu. The people of Lilliput and the people of Blefuscu are enemies.